How you doing today? My name is Jeff Ray, featured guest host here with Weld.com. We're back up in the lab. I'm going to take you through some of the differences in these welding hoods and what to look for when purchasing and finding what hood best suits your needs. So let's get at it. First, I'm going to start with the Jackson safety hood I have here. This is a fixed lens hood. Comes with a shade 10. It's pretty standard in the industry. Also, this one has a large viewing area. Some other style hoods, like pipeliner hoods or pancake style hoods, they usually come with the slimmer viewing area, as well as they also have fixed lens hoods with the pop-up lenses in them for people grinding or don't want to flip the hood up and down. These hoods mainly are used with, like I said, no auto darkening, so it's a fixed lens, and you're gonna need to flip the hood down with your head every time, as opposed to just leaving that hood down and being able to view through it. Can be a little difficult when stick welding, because you're trying to find where you're aiming that stick before you strike that arc, and then you gotta flip that hood down. It can be a little hard to accomplish at first in learning that trick, but this is where a lot of people start. Any of these fixed lens hoods, they average about $37 to $50 or so per hood. Always want to be comfortable. Look at the headgears that are in them. There's a bunch of different headgears that come in these things, so just try on as many as you can. It's a good beginner hood. They're cheap. If you break one or break a lens like that, there's a number of different lenses you can get for these hoods. Gold lenses are the preferred. They put off a real nice color when viewing through them. So that's your fixed lens hoods. Now we're gonna move on to some of your more beginner auto darkening hoods. Little lower on the price scale there, so you're not breaking the bank, as opposed to ones with the 4 sensors that cost a lot more. Right here, we have the Blackstone. We have our knobs here on the outside to change our shades. Also on the inside, you have a sensitivity and a delay switch as well. Only thing I don't really like about hoods with the external knobs on them is that, say you're out in the field and you're in a tight area, you rub your head up against something, you can actually turn this dial, and you don't want to fire up and that thing be turned way down and it's unexpecting arc flash. So you have other ones to choose from. If you don't like the Blackstone, you can go with the Bowler. A little bit more expensive, but it's a nice hood. It has a grind button mode on the outside to switch on and off from welding application to welding, so you don't have to change out and have put a face shield on. You can just use this, or like I said before, they have pop-up lenses too on the fixed lens hoods. So the Bowler hood as well includes sensitivity, shade, and the delay time. And just be sure to check the comfortability of the headgears. The headgears vary from every brand. Even within the brands, there's different headgears. So make sure you find one that is most comfortable for you. If the Bowler doesn't work for you, the Radnor by 3M Speed Glass hood is another good choice. This hood has a little bit wider viewing lens on it, as well as it's very slim, nice cut down. It works well in the process industry. I've seen a lot of guys use these. Real comfortable, real light hood. Same thing on the inside, sensitivity, shade, and delay time. All 3 of these hoods here have 2 sensors on them, as opposed to the 4 sensor hoods. They do cost less. The Speed Glass does cost about $280. The Bowler averaging about $250, and the Blackstone about $150. So these can suit your needs in any application. I'm going to take you over here. We have the Sentinel A50 hood. It's a really nice hood. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It also has a taller viewing area. These are really nice hoods. I've heard a lot of good things about these Sentinel hoods over the past couple of years now. I've yet to try one. Same thing, external grind button that we've seen on some of the other hoods. And then inside we have the digital display for your delay time, your shade, and your sensitivity here. Very ergonomical headgear here. Like I said, comfortability is a big thing within the industry. This is what I use. This is the Miller Infiniti. This is the newest one from Miller. Has the clear light lens technology in it. Also, the largest auto darkening viewing lens area on the market right now. Has a very ergonomical headgear in it. It's all preference. I prefer the old style headgear. I've been using this for a couple of months now. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this one back to the old style headgear like I have here on my Elite that I've used for years now. Also a very good hood. But once again, it's all preference. These hoods, they'll run you about $300. The ESOB, they're about $350. So that was a quick overview of several of the hoods we have laying around the shop here. I hope this helps with you making your purchase of what welding hood best suits your needs and things to look out for when making a hood purchase. Thank you for supporting Weld.com and being part of the welding community. Till next time, we'll see you later.